guys, it's Extreme Gamer Curious SGK. You can call me whatever you want. Today I am going to show you how to record your voice using display recorder and how to get a display recorder. So first I'm going to show you how to record with a mic on display recorder. So first you'll need to go to the home screen and click settings. Once there, you will need to scroll down until you see display recorder. After that, you need to go to video format, and then click H.264/MOV with mic audio, and just click that, and then you will record with the mic, and you can see like now. So now I'm going to show you how to get Cydia for free. You shouldn't buy the $4.22, I think, but only if you're rich. So once you're on Cydia, you need to crack your device. Then you go to manage, and then click on sources, and then click edit, and then add this source. Cydia.xelize.com. I'll put the link in the description, so don't worry. So click on that and then wait. Once you have done that, you'll need to find is it this? Wait, oh sorry, I think it's this. Let me check first. Oops. What the? Never mind. I'll show you in just a minute. Screw that shit. Yes. Wait for it to load. You might be wondering why is it hard to refresh the data. So I think it's this. No, it's not that. The D, and then might be this. Then you search for display recorder. Search for display recorder. DIS. Display recorder. Display. Oh, did I saw it? Yes. So search for display recorder, and then just click on it and then install it. So once that's done, the thing is Elize. So I'll put the link in the description below, so you can download it without seeing the video and do it. So thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.